Anytime now, race number 6, and the race is on. Siklag from the outside is Dayang. And running down on the inside, Sunday Street running by Darrell Stout-Hearted. Benasop in the middle, Presidential, also rushing up is Rivaldo. Siklag by Sam, 2 lengths followed by Presidential, Stout-Hearted. Sunday Street racing forward by Sam, 2 lengths alongside is Buenas of Rivaldo and Dayang. Passing the half-mile foe, Siklag by a length and a half, followed by Stout-Hearted Presidential racing from the outside, Sunday Street Rivaldo and Buenas of Dayang. Rounding the far turn, Siklag by a length and a half, Presidential getting closer in second. Buenaso from the outside, third Rivaldo and Stout-Hearted as they race the final corner. Siklag by some 2 lengths, followed by Presidential, Buenas of Rivaldo in the middle, Stout-Hearted, Dayang. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run, Siklag still leading the fight by some 2 lengths. Rivaldo in second, and Rompe Candado down on the inside. Siklag, Rivaldo, and finally Siklag, Rivaldo, Rompe Candado, Presidential.
Okay, cross